Hello kids, today we will revise again chapter Indian currency. All of you know about Indian currency? Okay, all of you know notes and coins also. Now see, this is a exchange yani rupees and paisa. When you buy grocery item, vegetables, other items, clothes and fruits. See, if you want to buy or purchase fruits, vegetable, etc., you have to pay money. So money is required for living. Now exchange again with doctors, helpers, carpenters, plumbers, lawyers. Use the money in right way for the better living and save the money also. Now these are Indian symbols. Let's see the symbols of rupees. Now this is a symbol of rupee. All of you know this is a symbol of rupees. It's an incredibly meaningful symbol. Now see this. This is a English R and Hindi R. This is a mixture of two. Now this, all of you remember this symbol. This symbol is rupees. Now see, different coins as we used 50 paisa, rupees 1, rupees 2, rupees 5 and rupees 10, which we have already understood about the coins. These are made up of metals. Now this is made up of papers. As we know, the money used in a particular country is called its currency. Currency are made up of paper, so they are termed as a paper currency or notes. Now rupees and paisa. See here, rupees is equal to RS and paisa is equal to P. Symbol for rupees is this. Now see, 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupees or 100 P is equal to rupee 1. Now look here, these are coins of rupees 1, 250 paisa equal rupees 1 and rupees 1 is equal to, again look here, this is a paper currency and metal currency of rupees 1. Now look here, this is rupees 2, 1 rupee plus 1 rupee, we will get rupees 2. Now look here, this is paper note of rupees 50. Now look, there are different type of Indian currency paper notes. Now see here, 3 notes of 10 rupees means 3 into rupees 10 is equal to rupees 30. 20 rupees is 1, so 1 multiply rupees 20 is equal to rupees 20. The total will be rupees 50. Same here, look, rupees 20 to multiply rupees 20 is equal to rupees 40 and 1 into rupees 10 is equal to rupees 10. 40 plus 10, that is same 50. Now look next, rupees 5. 10 notes of rupees 5 into rupees 5, that is rupees 50. Now look, rupees 10. 5 into rupees 10 is equal to rupees 50. So in this way you can understand how to make rupees 50 with different notes. Now rupees 1 is equal to 100 paisa, rupees 2 is equal to 200 paise, rupees 7 is equal to 700 paise. All of you will have to multiply with the 100. Now to convert into rupees and paisa into paise, first convert rupees into paisa, then add the paise. 8 rupees 25 paisa, 8 multiplied by 100, 800 paise plus 25 paise, 825 paise. Now look here, To convert paisa into rupees, we simply remove the two zeros on the right. Look here, 600 paisa, that is rupees 6. 235 paisa is equal to rupees 2 and 35 paise. 470 paise is equal to rupees 4, 70 paise. 805 paise is equal to rupees 8 and 5 paise. Now convert 5,693 paisa into rupees. Now look it carefully. 56 multiplied by 100, that is 5600 paise plus 93 paise. Now you have to add it. 50 rupees 56 plus rupees 93 paise, that will become 5693 paise, that is rupees 56 and 93 paise. Now look here, 320 paise is equal to 3 multiplied by 100 paise plus 20 paise. 300 paise is equal to rupees 3. 20 paise is equal to rupees 0 and 20 paise. Now look carefully. Rupees 3 plus rupees 0, 20 paise, that is rupees 3 and 20 paise. So 320 paise is equal to rupees 3.20. Thank you.